Sometimes your ticket queue looks busy, but it's not always clear if your team is actually keeping up or starting to fall behind. With Periskope, you get a clear view of what's happening so you can understand performance at a glance. Start by heading over to the Analytics dashboard and navigating to Ticket Metrics. You'll be greeted with a quick snapshot of your ticket activity, including the total number of tickets currently in progress, how many are unresolved, how many have been resolved, and how many are still unassigned. You'll also see the average resolution time, which shows how long it typically takes your team to close a ticket. This helps you understand how efficiently issues are being handled. You can adjust the date range to focus on a specific time period, whether you're reviewing a busy day or looking at longer-term trends to go deeper. You can apply filters to refine the data. You can filter by label, ticket priority, status, assignee, or urgency, depending on what you want to analyze. You also have flexibility in how these filters work. Selecting All means a ticket must match every condition, while Any allows tickets that match even one of the selected filters. Right below, you'll find the ticket history graph, which visualizes trends over time. It shows unresolved tickets, including both open and in progress, along with tickets created and tickets closed within your selected date range. This makes it easy to see whether tickets are building up or if your team is keeping pace. As you scroll down, you can also view performance at an individual level. Here, you can see how each team member is performing, including the total number of tickets assigned to them, how many are open or in progress, how many they've closed, and their average resolution time. You'll also see their unresolved ticket count, helping you quickly identify if someone might need support. So instead of relying on a surface-level view, you can clearly understand where things stand and take action when needed. You can also easily export your ticket data, so it's easier for you and your team to manage your workflows at your own pace. Want better visibility into your team's performance? Give Periskope a try using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.